Hello, and welcome to My Low Country Living. I'm Tommy Ray. Today we're going to make pulled pork. Now to do that, we're going to have to smoke our pork, but before we smoke it, we're going to go ahead and put a dry rub on it. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, now we have our pork shoulder here, and it is 8.7 pounds. So that's a big one. That's why you made so much rub. Now we probably won't use all that rub. What we don't use, we'll go ahead and store. Let's go ahead and open this up. And what we're going to do is, once we get this opened, we're actually going to rub mustard all over it in order to have the dry rub stick. Okay, so I just have here my yellow mustard, and we're just going to rub this all over both sides. Go ahead and put it on generously because we want to make sure that that dry rub sticks to it. Now that we have our mustard on, we'll go ahead and just add our dry rub all over this. Okay, now that we're entirely covered with dry rub, we're going to cover this and let this sit in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours, but preferably overnight. Okay, so we've had our pork butt in the refrigerator. You're going to take it out, and we're going to go ahead and get ready to put that onto the smoker. That looks great. Cannot wait. This will be in the smoker for between 10 to 12 hours until it reaches its internal temperature. Thanks for joining us today on My Low Country Living as we made pulled pork from our smoker. If you enjoyed this recipe, please give it a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get more recipes like this. Thanks.